Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. This is the last day of the week for most of you. So you'll get through it, I promise. Last night, I prepared pad ki mao, also known as drunken noodles. I give this maybe a 3 stars. This is not drunken noodles. No, this is a Chinese dish, and it's good, but it's Chinese. This is not Thai. This is not Thai drunken noodles. I'll still share it, play with it, have fun with it. It's a little saucy, as in and I discovered this when I did Veggie Week, that some of these sauces are just too much. So that's just my tip for this particular one. Tonight, I'm just doing a simple pasta dish. I'm not even going to give it a name. But it's Friday. Fridays are typically kind of busy for me because I have an evening meeting. So let's get to it. Hardware is out. Dutch oven for the pasta, and a little saute pan for what I'm going to do next. Some kosher salt, black pepper, butter, extra virgin olive oil, garlic. Got to have garlic. Red pepper flakes, which I might switch over to something else. Linguine. I'm doing a linguine tonight. I'm going to, in the saute pan, I'm going to saute up a little bit of diced shallot and chopped up Roma tomato, and we'll have top this off with some Parmesan cheese. Like I said, this is just a really simple, and it takes longer to cook the pasta itself than to do the rest of it. So that's tonight. One of the things that's been on my to-do list for a while now, I want to announce is I'm going to push out or publish the hardback for Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors. Some people really do prefer having a hardback in their library than the paperbacks. So look for that soon. I'm not going to give it a date yet, but look for that. The paperback is still available on Amazon. You can either go to Amazon and search for Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, or just go to my website, casualchef.us. So enjoy your Friday. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.